Good evening everyone. I am Manjula with you. Ooty Hill train service resumed. Mountain train service between Mettupalayam and Ooty resumed after 2 days. The mountain train service was started after the landslide on the mountain railway was repaired. Time for fireworks to explode for Deepavali. Environmental officials said Deepavali is set to be celebrated on November 4. It is the custom of the people to explode firecrackers for Deepavali. However, the time limit for setting of fireworks has been set since 2018, citing environmental pollution caused by fireworks. In that regard, the Supreme Court has imposed various restrictions on the firing of firecrackers for the Deepavali festival this year. The government of Tamil Nadu will follow them. The government of Tamil Nadu has planned to create awareness among the people about firecrackers through a short film. In Tamil Nadu, the timing of the fireworks display will be decided in consultation with the Chief Minister as per the directions of the Supreme Court. Thus they said. Danish Prime Minister meets with the Union Foreign Minister in Delhi. India and Denmark formed the Green Strategy Cooperative in September last year. That and various other issues between the two countries are yet to be discussed. The Ministry of External Affairs said that there are more than 60 Indian companies in Denmark and more than 200 Danish companies in India, and that there is strong cooperation between the two countries in the fields of technology, agriculture and shipping. In this context, the Danish Prime Minister Mette Frederiksen arrived in India today. He has been welcomed by Prime Minister Modi. Speaking to reporters at the Rashtrapati Bhavan in Delhi, Mette said, "We think of India as our closest ally." He said he sees the visit as a milestone in bilateral relations between Denmark and India. Following this, Danish Prime Minister Mette Frederiksen met with Union Foreign Minister Jaishankar in Delhi today. Bilateral relations are being discussed at this meeting. Facebook, Instagram intercepted again. For the second time in a week, Facebook has apologized to its customers for interrupting its Instagram and Instagram services. Earlier in the day, Facebook, WhatsApp and Instagram services around the world, including India, were hit hard. These sites were down for up to 6 hours. This is considered to be the biggest outage of Facebook. Facebook founder Mark Zuckerberg has expressed regret over the ban on the exchange of information on their corporate sites, including WhatsApp. Nobel Prize for Peace. Maria Ressa, a journalist from the Philippines, and Dmitry Burada, a Russian journalist, have been nominated for this year's Nobel Peace Prize. They will be awarded the Nobel Peace Prize for the struggle to defend the freedom of the press despite the repression of their own governments. US nuclear submarine collides with mysterious object in South China Sea. US officials say as US nuclear submarine has crashed into a mysterious object while sinking in the South China Sea, injuring several sailors. They say they do not know what caused the incident and say it was operating across the ship. Retirement age revised. In a press release issued by the Chief Secretary to the Government, the Chief Minister of the Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly on 7/9/2021 under Rule 110 of the Legislative Assembly said the retirement age of nutrition chefs and culinary assistants working in nutrition centers will be raised from 58 to 60 years. Chennai Egmore Mangalore Central Special Train. The Chennai Egmore Mangalore Central Special Train will leave Chennai Egmore on the 17th of this month. The Chennai Egmore Mangalore Central Special 06159 will leave Chennai Egmore at 11:35 pm on October 17 and arrive at Mangalore Central at 10:15 pm the next day. The Mangalore Central Chennai Egmore Special 06160 will leave Mangalore Central at 6:45 am on October 19 and arrive at Chennai Egmore at 3:35 am the next day. This train will run from Mambalam, Tambaram, Chengalpattu, Melmaruvattur, Viluppuram, Viruthachalam, Ariyalur, Srirangam, Trichy, Kulithalai, Karur, Bakkur, Kodumudi, Erode, Oothukuli, Tirupur, Vadakovai, Coimbatore, Pothanur, Palakkad, Vattapalam, Soranur, Pattambi, Kuttipuram. The train will stop at Tirupur, Parapankadi, Kozhikode, Padakara, Talaseri, Kannur, Kannapuram, Payyanur, Kottikulam, Kasaraghat and Manjeswar. Have a fantastic day. See you again. Thank you.